Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Sayyid Rahman. I am student of grade 10th, Ideal Indian School, Doha. In this video, we are going to do the question number 2 from exercise 1.3. Okay, now the question is proof that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Okay, now the answer is, okay, we'll start from here. So this is our first step. On the contradiction to the fact, let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. So 3 plus 2 root 5 is equals to a by b, where a and b are co-primes. On rearranging, okay, so let's stop over here. Now, they're telling on the contradiction to the fact, okay, so first of all, we know that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational, right? They are telling that it is irrational. They are asking us to prove. So we know that it is root 5 is irrational. So on the contradiction, right? This word contradiction. So this way, this means that it is the opposite. Like we are taking opposite of the question. Okay. So let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. So like we will tell that 3 plus root 5 is 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. Okay, we will just assume. Then we will tell 3 plus 2 root 5 is equals to a by b, where a and b are co-primes. Okay, where a and b are co-primes. This is very important sentence. You have to write this. If you leave this, you may lose your marks. Okay, then we have to rearrange this. Okay, this equation. So this equation we have to rearrange. Okay. Then on rearranging, we get 2 root 5 is equals to a by b minus 3, right? A by b minus 3. This 3, when we go cross it over there, this will become minus 3, right? Because it is positive over here. So 2 root 5 is equals to a by b minus 3. So 2 root 5 is equals to a by b minus 3 by 1. Because here we are subtracting, so for subtraction we need the LCM, right? The LCM, the denominator must be same. So for that we are multiplying b on both the sides, on denominator and numerator. Then we get 2 root 5 is equals to a minus 3b. Okay, 3b, because here we multiplied minus 3b by b divided by b. Okay, this is not 6b. Then root 5 is equals to a minus 3 by 2b. So here the 2 which was in multiplication, we transport it here, and on the other side, then it became it went in the division, okay, in the denominator form, and here it was b, so it got multiplied with b. Okay, then we have to write the conclusion. Okay, this was the explanation, like how can we do. Then we have to write the conclusion. So the conclusion is, since 3, 2, a and b are integers, okay, now we know that these all terms are integers, right? We know that. So we can tell that they are rational because it can be written in the p by q form. So we can tell that it is rational. So root 5 is also rational, right? Then if a minus 3b by 2b is rational, then root 5 will also be rational. Why? Because a minus 3b by 2b is equals to root 5, right? Is equals to. So equal to means root 5 will also be rational. But this is the contradiction to the fact that root 5 is irrational. Now we know that root 5 is irrational, right? Right? We proved it in our question number 1 that root 5 is irrational. So we can tell that. So therefore we can conclude that root 5, 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Okay, how we can conclude? Like only one part must be irrational. The whole part will become irrational. Okay, that is the concept of this roots and like proving. Okay, like just one thing must be irrational, then everything will become irrational. Okay, so this was the answer for the question number 2 from exercise 2.1.3. So we'll move to question number 3. Okay, in question number 3 there are 3 parts. So I will divide them all in in each video. Okay, for one question I will make one video, so I will divide it into 3 parts and I will make 3 videos. Okay, so um, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you and assalamu alaikum.